Hey everyone, welcome. Are you someone who is looking to start their online classes or you already have online classes? If yes, this video can help you 10x your engagement and retention rates by doing some minor tweaks. So stay tuned with this video. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can make your content more visually appealing and how you can increase your retentions by at least 10x. So stay tuned, we'll jump right into the video. We have grown on visual media, starting from the cartoons we watch to the mainstream media movies. Everything that is visually appealing, we always loved it. All the movies are very appetizing on its visuals and character building. These two things combined just creates magic for you. So we'll discuss a few factors that you can add to your classes and turn into very highly engaging and visually appealing online study material. So let's understand how you can do it. To build our study material visually appealing, we'll start with step number one. Add some character to your study material. Don't just copy paste whatever is there on the textbooks and all. Add the character, add the twist you wanted to show them. If you are someone who is teaching science, add your touch to it. Do some experiment in front of them. Make them see and visually experience the thing they are reading. If you can just do this small tweak and add your personality, how you wanted to talk and interact, be a friend to your students, and show what you are teaching can be applicable in real life, that will create a dynamic change and help you nail your study materials. Step number two, make things simple. This is one of the fundamental things that you need to understand in order to make your content visually appealing. That is because if your content is cluttered with information, it will never be appetizing to our brain. I will show you two pictures, one after another, with same information but shown in a two different ways. Now say these two images and you will understand the difference. This is the image number one, cluttered with information, and this is the image number two, where it is represented in a very simpler form. Now, once you see both the images, you understand what a great difference both of them has. None of those two look similar, and the later image looks very appetizing to our brain. That is because the information is simplified. Our brain is designed to understand simple things. So once you make these changes in your study material, already your students will see the slide and instantly their brain will capture the information, which will help them to memorize better and keep all this information stored in their brain because of the visual representation and the simplified format that you have given to them. So this is one of the key factors in order to make your content visually appealing. Let's move to point number three, build a storyline and segmentation. So, this is very important to build a great visual learning experience because without a great storyline, people will be very confused on what they should keep on grasping. So, you need to have a clear storyline built on your mind. You have to craft a proper storyline for the whole session, as you need to know every step where you are going to do what until and unless the Q&A session starts. And also you need to understand the segmentation of your audience, that which age group they belong, where they are studying, what is their demographics. All these things you need to understand very well. If you don't understand it, you are going to miss out a lot. Suppose this video was cartoonized and a lot of cartoon characters are there who are explaining you this video, this won't be very appealing for you because you are not an audience to watch cartoon at this point of time. You are more a professional kind of audience who want to have things that can help them in real time. So this video is catered towards you. So you need to understand which segment you are catering to and tailor craft your messaging and your brand positioning. These are the most important points that you need to follow in order to make your study materials visually appealing. And with this, we'd like to end the video up here. We have few resources for you which you can click on the link down below and download. If you want to learn more about all these things, you can go on our blog edisonos.com/blogs and check a whole library of useful information in written format created just for people like you. So go read, use our resources, and also you can use our platform. Visit www.edisonos.com and you will get to know how we are transforming the future of education in India. Thank you.